Welcome to Block 157B Rivervale Crescent. I can't help but to be so fascinated by the well-designed interior decoration, and when you step into these premises, you feel as though you're living in a private property. Well, let's check out the house together. Hello! You can see a noticeable difference in this corner unit, which is so rare in the whole entire HDB estate in Sengkang. Here the owner has gotten the approval from HDB to push back the main door entrance away from the main gate, and therefore it created a foyer space for you to house in your shoe cabinet, and it actually welcomes you as a visitor to come into the household itself. The owners also have built in the smart home system where you can actually watch the CCTV to know who is standing at the front entrance, and at the same time when you step into the front foyer space, there are motion sensors that will actually trigger the lighting in the living hall automatically. This whole entire floor area sits over 1,184 square feet, and that is about 110 square meter. And I like the way that the owner has demarcated the places which separates the dining and the living hall area, and at the same time where the private spaces where all the bedrooms are at is located right behind us. Where we are standing on is the black marble floor tiles, and this is the exact same finishes and materials provided from the same supplier that did the interior design for PRADA flagship stores. And I like the way that the owner has demarcated the living hall differently from the dining area by raising this wooden deck platform. And this is a place where they can entertain their guests or even watch TV with their family and enjoy a breathtaking view on the outside as well. When I would say that, because of these full height windows, you definitely have natural lighting and even wind ventilation into the premises. Over here at the dining area, you can easily accommodate a 6-seater dining set. And just right beside it where the kitchen is, you can see that the owner has actually altered and also removed the dividing wall between the kitchen and the dining area and replaced it with the glass sliding doors. Just in case that you need to do a heavy duty cooking, you can still enclose the whole entire kitchen space. But I'll say that this interior designer has put in such a well-thought plan because you want to have a well-ventilated kitchen area, and at the same time you have a more natural lighting that filters in from both sides of the apartment. The kitchen storage space has been maximized by adding the top and bottom kitchen cabinets, and throughout the whole countertop, it is made of a granite finish. The owner themselves has also bought the electrical cooker hob, which is from a German brand. And over here in the kitchen space, you have a 2-door fridge. And while you are washing your dishes, you can still enjoy the unblocked view of the Serangoon River Promenade area. I like the way the owner put this design concept as seamless as possible. From the hallway at the front foyer down to the bedroom walkway, you can see there are 2 concealment doors that actually hide the utility room doors as well as the common bathroom. On my left is the location of this magnetic concealment door, which actually hides the common bathroom, and inside there are quality finishes and there are marble floor tiles and wall tiles. Right now we're going to check out the common bedroom. This common bedroom, it is so spacious that you can easily house a queen size bed or a king size bed together with a dresser table with a chest of drawers or even a study table, plus the built-in cabinet that's right behind me. And this is exactly the play area and also the sleeping area for their child. Alright, right now let's check out the master bedroom, and this is a surprise treat for you. Alright, here we are at the main highlight of this house, and this is the master room. You can see that it actually spans across 2 bedrooms because the owner has removed the dividing wall between the common bedroom and the original master room. Where we are situated at, this is the sleeping area and the study area, and they enjoy the same unblocked view towards the river promenade area. While on to my left, you can see that it's a full walk-in wardrobe plus dry powder room and an attached bathroom. After a tiring day, you just wish to come back home to relax, and this is a special corner where they place in a massage chair for you to enjoy and relax, and this is what they call a Zen place. Now coming into the master walk-in wardrobe, you can't help but to feel as though that you're walking into a full retail boutique, and this is the place where the owners place their international brands of collections, their apparels, their bags and personal belongings. And for here, you can actually spend your time just to look through what you want to wear for the evening, and this is really like a haven for them. As for the master attached bathroom, the owners have altered in such a way that they can accommodate a dry powder room where there's a dresser table for you to do your makeup, and at the same time for the wet area where there's a shower area and a vanity counter. To be honest, in my own opinion, this is a very rare unit with a full A1 decoration and 100% move-in condition. And being on a high floor, what I like about this unit is that it enjoys an unblocked view of the greenery around it. Good thing about this plot of land that's just right beside this HDB estate, it is actually marked as a green zone in the master plan. And this green zone means that there will be no future construction just right next to your unit. And at the same time, this green zone is actually a communal space for the residents to celebrate National Day and Chinese New Year. And this is a place where you watch fireworks in the comfort of this unit itself. This unit location, it is so convenient that you can walk within 10 minutes to the nearest Rivervale Mall where you can do your grocery shopping. And if you have an alternative, yes, there is actually one which is located in Rivervale Plaza, which houses a wet market and a 24 hours NTUC fair price, 2 giant food courts, and all the amenities that surround it. If you are driving, it is just only 5 minutes away to the TPE or the KPE. Now, if you're going to take a public transport, the nearest LRT station will be Bakau LRT, and this is 3 stops away to Sengkang MRT station. If you like this spacious unit with a full renovation in move-in condition, please do not hesitate to call me for more details at my mobile number. I'm Sean from UrbanAgents. If you like our videos, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you next time.